I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Societies, BYK, College of Commerce. In the previous lecture, an example on fixed capital method, which consisted of current account and adjustment. In this lecture, we will be going to solve the next example on final accounting relating to other adjustments. In overall previous lectures, by and large, we have gone through the formation of partnership, its purpose, importance, provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 to ascertain its capital, assets, profit and loss, and different accounting treatment and important points, including preparation of final account. This example will be on final account and other adjustments. See the example on final accounts. From the following trial balance and adjustments given below of Param and Dharam, you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. Let's go to trial balance as on 31st March 2020. First item of debit balances is purchases shown in debit side of trading account, sundry debtors, balance sheet, asset side, sales returns to be deducted from sales, opening stock, trading account, debit side, bad debts, profit and loss account, debit side, land and building, balance sheet, asset side, furniture, balance sheet, asset side, discount, profit and loss account, debit side, royalties, trading account, debit side, rent, profit and loss account, debit side, salaries, profit and loss account, debit side, wages shown in trading account, debit side, insurance, profit and loss account, debit side. Drawings of Param and Dharam to be deducted from partners' capital, cash at bank and cash in hand, balance sheet, asset side. See the trial balance, credit balances. Sales, trading account, credit side, creditors, balance sheet, liability side, purchase returns to be deducted from purchases, RDD, profit and loss account, credit side. RDD is old, means trial balance RDD is old RDD and adjustment RDD is new RDD, is to be treated as new. If new RDD means trial adjustment RDD is greater than old RDD means trial balance RDD, then it is shown in profit and loss account debit side like new minus old and vice versa. Discount, profit and loss account, credit side, commission, profit and loss account, credit side, capitals of Param and Dharam, balance sheet, liability side. This is the trial balance, debit and credit items affected. Adjustments. Now let's go to the adjustments. Closing stock valued at rupees 44,000. Two effects of closing stock. First, in trading account credit side, and second effect in balance sheet asset side. Write off rupees 1,800 for bad and doubtful debts, and create a provision for reserve for doubtful debts, that is rupees 2,000. See, 1,800 is bad debts and 2,000 is of RDD. First effect of bad debts and RDD is shown in profit and loss account debit side, and second effect to be deducted from debtors on asset side. See, bad debts are never recoverable, so it is deducted from debtors. Third adjustment, create a provision for discount on debtors at 3% and on creditors at 5%. Initially, deduct adjustment bad debts from debtors. Also deduct adjustment RDD from debtors. On balance, on balancing figure or balance figure arrived at, calculate 3% discount and again deduct it from debtors. Its second effect would be profit and loss account debit side. Calculate 5% discount on creditors, it being earnings of the firm. Its first effect is deduction from creditors, and second effect, post it to profit and loss account credit side. Outstanding expenses, wages rupees 1,400 and salaries rupees 1,600. First effect in balance sheet liability side, and second effect is to add the amount under respective heads, that is of wages and salaries. Wages item is of trading account debit side, add outstanding wages 1,400. Salary item is of profit and loss account debit side, add outstanding expenses or outstanding salary, that is of 1,600. Insurance is paid for 15 months with effect from 1st April 2019. Normally, balance sheet is prepared for 12 months. In the above adjustment, 3 months insurance amount is prepaid. So post this prepaid amount to balance sheet asset side and deduct it from insurance in profit and loss account debit side. For this, see working note number 1. And for calculation of discount on debtors and creditors, see the working note of number 3. Depreciation or depreciate land and building at 5%. First effect, deduction from land and building. See in debit side of trial balance. In balance sheet asset side, and second effect shown or treated as depreciation in profit and loss account debit side. Param and Dharam are sharing profits and losses in their capital ratio. This is how you have to mention or show the capitals ratio. See the last working note. With this, we complete the trial balance and its adjustments. We will now go to the next slide of trading profit and loss account and balance sheet in their capital accounts. In this slide, of trading account, see trading account in the books of trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020 in the books of Param and Dharam, and balance sheet as on 31st March 2020, see partners capital account. Of trading account in this slide, opening stock, purchases, less returns, royalties, wages, add outstanding wages, sales, less returns, and closing stock. Trading account highlighted portion in red color indicates gross profit. See the gross profit amount, that is of 47,800 in red color, and which would be posted to profit and loss account credit side. The highlighted net profit. First, we have to see the amount of profit and loss account or items of profit and loss account, that is debit items, rent, salaries, add outstanding salaries, insurance, less 3 months insurance prepaid, depreciation of land and building, bad debts, add new bad debts, that is of adjustment, new RDD, that is of adjustment RDD, and then old RDD, which is shown in the trial balance credit side. See, new RDD, as I have already discussed, that if new RDD is greater than old RDD, mention it in profit and loss account debit side, new minus old. You have to write like this. Bad debts 1,000, add new RDD, that is adjustment RDD, add new bad debts, that is adjustment bad debts. Then add new RDD, that is 2,000, old RDD, which is shown in the trial balance, that is 1,600. Then you will get the final amount of reserve for bad and doubtful debts, that is 3,200. Discount 2,000. Discount on debtors 2,286. If you want to add in this or mention it separately. 4,286. Credit items, gross profit, which we have take this amount from the or posted this amount from the trading account. Commission 500, discount 100, and discount on creditors, as we have discussed that this is the earning of the firm shown in profit and loss account credit side. The highlighted portion of net profit in red color would be distributed to partners as per their capitals ratio. Similarly, this net profit should be transferred to their capital accounts by net profit, which is distributed in their capital ratio. And the partners capital account is, first you have to write the amount of capitals, that is 1,60,000 by balance brought down. Then by net profit 16,990 and 10,194. Then debit amount is of drawings, that is of 4,000 and 2,000, and the highlighted balancing amount of capitals to be posted in balance sheet liability side. See the highlighted portion of capitals, Param and Dharam. Look at to the balance sheet. Creditors less discount, which how you have to calculate the discount amount on creditors. See the working note number 2 and 3. Outstanding expenses, that is of wages and salaries. Asset side, land and building, less depreciation, furniture, closing stock, debtors, less new bad debts, that is adjustment bad debts, new RDD, that is adjustment RDD, discount on debtors. See the working note number 2, and then you will get the final amount of debtors. Prepaid insurance, cash at bank and cash in hand. And finally, you have to tally the balance sheet. See the trading and profit and loss account. From trading, you get the gross profit, which should be transferred to profit and loss account credit side. Then you should get the net profit, which is distributed in their profit sharing ratio or capital ratio as per the example. Then prepare the capital account. You will get the balancing amount of capitals, which should be mentioned in balance sheet liability side, and tally the example or balance sheet. See the working notes. As I have already discussed about this, that first is insurance premium rupees 3,000 is paid for 15 months. That is prepaid insurance or premium is for 3 months. That is of 600 rupees. Reserve for discount on debtors, 3% on debtors. First, you have to deduct the amount of bad debts, means new bad debts, then new RDD, and after that balancing figure, you have to calculate 3% discount on debtors. 3 upon 100 into 80,000. First minus the amount of bad debts 1800, then minus the amount of RDD, new RDD is 2000. So 3 upon 100 into 80,000 minus 3,800, that is of 76,200, and calculate 3% discount on debtors, that is of rupees 2,286. Deduct this amount from the debtors in balance sheet asset side and mention it in profit and loss account debit side. See the working note number 3, that is reserve for discount on creditors. 5% on value of creditors. Creditors value is of rupees 51,400. Directly you have to calculate 5%, that is of rupees 2,570, which you have to deduct it from creditors in balance sheet liability side. And second effect, as I have already discussed, that this is the earning of the firm, so mention it in profit and loss account credit side. See how we have to calculate capital ratio. Profit and loss ratio is of capital ratio. In the example, share the profits or loss in their capitals. Capitals of Param is 1 lakh, Dharam is 60,000. So the ratio of capital is 5:3. You have to distribute the amount of net profit in this ratio, that is 5:3. With this, we complete the second example on final account relating to other important adjustment. I am confident that you all have understood how to solve the example. I thank you once again